Welcome to our exploration of Arjuna's pivotal moment in the Bhagavad Gita. In chapter 1, verse 21, Arjuna experiences a moment of deep reflection. This verse carries valuable lessons about seeking clarity and understanding before taking actions. Here is what Arjuna says: O Krishna, please position my chariot between the two armies. This request signifies a crucial moment where Arjuna seeks clarity before entering the fray of battle. Arjuna exemplifies the importance of taking a moment before diving into action. Pause. He stops to evaluate the situation, understanding the significance of what lies ahead. Reflect. The moment allows him to contemplate the weight of the conflict and its potential repercussions. Understand. Arjuna seeks a comprehensive grasp of the impending war, emphasizing the need for clarity before making decisions. Here, Krishna plays a vital role. Krishna as wisdom. Lord Krishna embodies divine knowledge and serves as Arjuna's guiding light in the critical moment. Seeking counsel. Arjuna looks to Krishna for guidance, highlighting the importance of seeking advice during times of uncertainty. Modern application. Just as Arjuna seeks counsel, we too can benefit from the wisdom of our mentors, teachers, or our inner voice when navigating life's challenges. Arjuna's request reveals much about perspective, central positioning, but he gains a balanced viewpoint, impartial view. This position allows him to observe and understand both sides equally, fostering impartiality. Balanced judgment. From this neutral standpoint, he can make fair assessments and decisions, which is crucial when faced with difficult choices. Arjuna's moment is about more than just a physical battle. Beyond physical conflict, he recognizes the moral and emotional aspects of the impending fight. Consequences of actions. Arjuna thoughtfully considered the long-term effect of his decisions, reminding us that our actions carry weight. Ethical dilemma. This moment underscores the complexity of duty versus personal beliefs, a struggle many of us face in our own lives. Here are some key takeaways from this verse that we can apply to our daily lives. Seek clarity. Always take the time to fully understand situations before acting. Find guidance. Look for wisdoms from mentors or rely on your inner voice when faced with uncertainties. Balance perspectives. Consider multiple viewpoints to make fair and effective decisions. Reflect deeply. Take a moment to think about the consequences of your actions during critical times. Thanks for joining.